So welcome all. Today is the first video lecture or the presentation lecture based on some radiological imaging in COVID-19. We mostly hear from the news and from the medical fraternity that when a person is infected with COVID-19, that what should be the modalities used. So before going into the depth of the chapter, we should first know that what are the things if a person have been contacted with a COVID-19 or he's been in a close susceptible to the people having COVID-19. So what should be the mode of diagnosis and treatment? So first thing is that what is the role of radiological imaging in COVID-19? So for the determination that if a person is been infected with COVID-19, the best method or the most gold standard is go for RT-PCR. Okay, RT-PCR is a gold standard method which is used for the diagnosis of COVID-19 in person having SARS-CoV-2 infection. So what are the radiological imaging on COVID-19? The first question is which imaging modality is used as a first line for imaging in COVID-19 patient? Means which is the first imaging modality that is used as a first line imaging in COVID-19 patient? The answer is chest radiograph. The answer is chest radiograph. Second question is chest X-ray for screening or diagnosis in COVID-19. The question is chest X-ray for screening or diagnosis in COVID-19? The answer is no. No used either as screening or diagnosis. It means that the chest X-ray or the CT scan or more appropriately known as the high resolution computed tomography is not the method for the detection and diagnosis of COVID-19 patient. So what is the best method? Go for RT-PCR, gold standard. Is CT scan used for screening or diagnosis of COVID-19? Answer is no. CT scan is not used for screening or diagnosis of COVID-19. So specific method for diagnosis of SARS-CoV-2. As already told you, the gold standard is real-time reverse transcriptase polymerase chain reaction or RT-PCR test. Imaging is indicated in a patient with COVID-19 and worsening respiratory status. Then when a patient should go for his imaging technique or the radiological imaging technique. So if a person has already been diagnosed with the SARS-CoV-2 or the COVID-19 infection by the molecular microbiological test such as RT-PCR, if the person is symptomatic and he has already been got the positive result, so that person should be kept in isolation. If suppose a person is clinically unfit, as described by the doctor, so that person, if the RT-PCR test is negative, that person should go for radiological imaging, and the best thing is that go for X-ray or CT scan, HR-CT scan. So severe acute respiratory illness, also known as SARI or ARDS, that is acute respiratory distress syndrome. So there can be three outcome. One is COVID pattern, the second is normal RT-PCR, the third is non-COVID pattern. Okay? In normal RT-PCR confirmed COVID patient, there can be mild symptoms or there can be a moderate severe infection. So in mild symptom, again the patient can be hospitalized or it can be kept in isolation, and the second is high risk factor. So if the patient is having the mild symptom and that patient is in hospital isolation, so no imaging required. If that patient is in high risk, he is going for ARDS, then there the doctor should tell to do a chest X-ray. In moderate to severe cases, chest X-ray is the baseline, and after that you can go for ultrasonography or for a CT scan or the high resolution computed tomography. Okay, now priority. So what should be the priority? If a person is going to have the imaging technique or the radio imaging technique? The first is go for CXR. This all should be done only under the investigation or the proper advice of the doctor. The first is CXR, that is the chest X-ray. The second is CT scan, and third is ultrasonography. Chest radiograph first line modality. The gold standard is RT-PCR. Okay, and after that, if a doctor has suggested you the chest X-ray is the first line modality, CT scan is in a specific situation beside portable ultrasonography. Okay, and apart from this, don't go and do some work, don't go and do some things which is not prescribed by your doctor or by yourself. Okay, so you should avoid this non-essential imaging, because that can be cancer causing, or that can cause some other problems. So use of CXR in COVID-19 positive patients. CXR is indicated in patients with moderate to severe symptoms of baseline. CXR can be performed in mild cases if there are risk factors for developing severe diseases, such as if the person is having more than 60 years of age, he is having cardiovascular diseases along with diabetes mellitus, the person is immunocompromised, or he might be having some transplantation of a liver, kidney, lung, etc. So this thing should be remembered. Okay, so RT-PCR is the gold standard to diagnose someone is having COVID-19 or not. Apart from this, there are also some technique that is also based on RT-PCR, that is the CBNet, that is the cartridge based nucleic acid amplification testing, and the TrueNet developed by Molbio Goa. There is also antibody detection, that detection of IgM and IgG antibody. There is antigen, that is the RAT test, rapid antigen testing. So there are some line of diagnosis, but the gold standard is RT-PCR. So now what will be the key findings on CT scan? Or so there will be bilateral, peripheral, multifocal, rounded, ground glass opacity, crazy paving, and consolidated. So classic pattern of COVID-19 patient is peripheral predominant, multiple bilateral areas of ground glass opacity and consolidation. Okay, so this was a basic video for knowing that is a radiological imaging is the first line of diagnosis. So the answer is no. The answer is no. We should not go for radiological imaging by ourselves, only under the supervision and advice of the doctor. Okay, so what should we do? We should go for the rapid antigen kit, testing kit, or through RT-PCR. That can be taking your nasopharyngeal and oropharyngeal swabs, but nasopharyngeal swabs are more appropriate as it contains the more viral load. So this was my video. I think if you like my video, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, and hit the bell icon and like my video. Okay, thank you.